Today I'm taking my senior dog Stevie for an echocardiogram at the cardiologist. She is 12 years old, and at her last vet visit, our vet found that she might have a high-grade heart murmur. So we're gonna go get an echocardiogram done and get it all checked out and find out what the prognosis is. So I'm gonna take you guys with me along on the process so you can see what it's like if your dog might have a heart murmur or heart disease. You can see what the process is like. They took her in the back now, so I'm just waiting for them to do her echocardiogram and bring her back out. We're all done now, so we found out that Stevie does have mild degenerative valve disease. So she just has a mild leak in her heart, so there is no enlargement of the heart, no medications needed. So it's really good news. Probably the best news we could have got given the situation. So we're just going to continue to monitor her, and then we're going to make her an appointment to come back and get her echocardiogram again in a year. You did so good. You want to go get a pup cup? And the grand total for today was $1,195. How would you like to pay for that, miss?